It was amazing. I would say once in a lifetime experience because I met so many people. I'm Ameesha Kumar and I'm 24 years old. I did the bootcamp in Tokyo 2023. Currently, I'm an IT project manager at L'Oreal as an apprentice. It was quite intense. The course content was extremely well organized. There were videos, guides, everything that even today I have access to. If ever I do need anything, I can always go back to the video guides. Everything was really good. Intense but amazing. We would find things to have fun. There were so many game nights, pizza nights. We would just go out for like a drink or have food. When I started looking for jobs, I was like, okay, this is amazing. I have all the skills that were listed in the job descriptions. And my only goal was to find a job. So I contacted the career team at Wagon. She told me all the possibilities I had. And she told me maybe I could do an apprenticeship. So where I would be working and studying at the same time. And I remember getting a call from L'Oreal saying that they were interested in my profile. But I did not have a school at that point, and it was a little bit of a panic situation. So I immediately contacted my career advisor saying, okay, I'm in a panic mode. And she was like, don't worry, we do have a partnership. And within a week, I had my contract in hand. So it was amazing. I think I do owe it to Wagon to bring me the position I have today and the experience I have now.